How to fix LinkedIn persona verification not working. First, name mismatch. Make sure that the name on your passport or ID exactly matches the one on your LinkedIn profile, including accents or middle names. If you have a secondary language profile, ensure it's identical there too. Second, unsupported ID or country. Persona supports only NFC-enabled passwords. Look for the biometric chip logo, and only from certain countries. If yours isn't supported, wait until LinkedIn adds it or contact Persona support. Third, poor quality ID photo. Make sure you take a clear, well-lit image of your document showing all text and corners without glare. If Persona claims it doesn't see the ID, try again with improved lighting and focus. Fourth, incorrect country selection. Ensure the selected issuing country matches your document. Also verify your LinkedIn profile location is supported. Fifth, selfie capture issues. Use good lighting, so remove glasses or any coverings, and hold your device steady for a clean selfie. Sixth, NFC scan failures. Use an NFC-capable mobile device, so smartphones that support contactless payment. Remove cases and slowly move your phone over the biometric page of your passport for up to 10 seconds. Seventh, app or device problems. Use the LinkedIn mobile app only and not desktop, and update it to the latest version and grant camera/NFC permissions. Eighth, data sharing point. At the final step, approve yes share to allow Persona to send your verified info to LinkedIn. Without it, the process won't be complete. Ninth, already used on another profile. Persona verification is single use. Ensure you're not trying to use the same document on a different LinkedIn account. And 10th is if you're under 18. LinkedIn requires users to be 18 or older for Persona ID verification. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.